Good day everyone. In this video, I will be showing you how to animate text and objects here in Google Slides. This tutorial will be very quick, straightforward, and really easy to follow, so anyone should be able to do this if you watch carefully. Now do not worry if this is your first time using Google Slides. If you're a beginner or in general is just not familiar with the whole interface of Google Slides, as I will be here to guide you and show you the step-by-step process on how to do this. Also, if you're interested in watching, we already have uploaded our beginner's guide when it comes to using these Google softwares such as Google Docs, Google Sheets, Google Slides, and many more. It is already uploaded in our YouTube channel, in which we discussed all the basic features and functions that you can use in Google Slides, and the brief introduction to Google Slides, wherein I discussed to you when to use it and how you can use it efficiently. Now, as we have discussed on our previous videos, you can actually add transitions to your Google Slides like so. As you can see, we can add multiple transitions into it that makes it more interactive. But did you know that we can also add a transition or animation to each of the objects that are present in our Google Slides? And doing that is actually quite simple. All you have to do is to click on the object that you would like to add in animation to. Let's say, for example, this text box right over here. Head over to the upper panel of our screen, and then on our right side, we need to click on Animate. And now, as you can see, this one is the first object because this is what we clicked. Click on this object, and now click on any transition that you would like to add. Let's say, for example, fly out to the bottom, and then you can add it a trigger button, let's say for example on click or after previous and with previous. And to add another object to animate, click on this one, close this out, and then click on the object that you would like to animate, and then click on animate again, and now you can add another transition like so. Now again, you can play it if you want, which will show you the transitions of your objects. Let's say for example these ones, I would like to animate it as well. Zoom in, then close it, and now if I move into a presentation, I can click on my screen, and now as you can see, it does all the animations. Now to trigger the animation, you just need to click on your screen once to trigger those animations that we have set. And from those, I'll see you guys next time, and thank you for watching. If you learned something in this video, please consider subscribing and dropping a like. Till next time, goodbye.